Hello, it is me, Chicken TNT. Today, on my YouTube channel, I will be making pasta. I will be teaching you how to make spaghetti bolognese.
Step 1. Acquire cheese. Always prepare the ingredients you need. This pot will contain the water required to saturate the pasta. We require water. Water acquired. It must boil. Next step is to add the pasta. Simply open the box and insert.
Chicken TNT again. Never forget the pasta and leave it alone. Instead, always remember to...
The pasta is finished. Let us remove the water. The pasta is strained. Let us make a satisfactory sauce.
So, what goes into a sauce for a beautiful pasta like this? Well, young viewer, it's simpler than you might think.
Cheese. Stir. Wow, it's looking good already.
The pasta is finished. I hope that you have done it correctly.
Mushroom. Well, it's looking good and smelling good, but how does it taste?
Spaghetti bolognese.
Moist and delicious.